it's Franklin, man. I'm following the architect.
All right, don't fuck it up.
All right.
Aduh, udah mulai aja misinya nih. Oke, guys. Gimana kabar? Bagi-bagi aja lah ya.
Hey, stupid! You can't be on here without a hat.
Ya iyalah. Gitu ternyata. Jadi sekarang tengah malam ya guys ya. Jadi gua nggak bisa keras-keras ini. Dan kayaknya Franklin dia sedang bantu si Michael nih untuk bersihin file Michael ini ya, supaya nggak bisa diperdaya lagi sama si FIB. Iya nggak? Kita lihat aja lah. Gua kenal nih, ini kan yang sebelumnya kita bergula di sini ya kan. Bener lu nggak punya memori apa, Franklin? Pas lah dialog yang agak-agak familiar.
Study him and study him hard.
I was gonna wipe my ass on him.
That's the engineer's plan. Treat like a religious text, remember?
This guy. Anyone know this guy? Hey, excuse me.
Nih,
Be here. Hey, stop! Man, running from me is a bad idea.
oke, sekarang gimana? You got parachute, You got it. Then just tolong jangan ngada-ngada. Bisa nggak agak kerenan dikit, Franklin? Sini. Tunggu dia lewat. Go. Dah, everything's gonna be okay. Diam aja lo di situ harusnya, Franklin. Lari ke sana. Sana kosong polisi.
All the drivers are busy right now. Please call back later.
For real. Dan menu gua enggak, udah kadaluarsa guys. Gua hapus aja dulu sebelum update. Kita harus cari parkiran nih. Dan gua dengar sesuatu. Don't tell me ada kertas di sini. Yap. Lo dengar juga kan? Scrap letter. Ini boleh nih di sela-sela misi. Soalnya kita pakai baju bikinian udah artinya kita harus ambil itu scrap letter. Wih, bagus juga ini monumen. Dan kita kehilangan suaranya. Tolonglah. Sumpah keren di tempat nih. Permisi bapak, gue cari kertas. Lo tau nggak di mana ada? Jadi gue ini pemburu Leonardo J itu loh pak. Gue cari kertas-kertasannya. Gue dengar di sekitar sini. Lo lihat nggak? Lo tahu? Kita nggak apa-apa ngambil mobil dari perikan ini karena aku jamin kita biarin juga nggak ada NPC yang punya mobil ini. Jadi ini untuk kita memang. Nggak ada salahnya kita ambil, bukan begitu Franklin? Iya ya, apa ini kelas yang sama, ha? Sama yang kita dengar barusan. Kayak jauh kali melencengnya. Ya tapi oke lah. Nggak bisa manjat lagi si Franklin. Apa bisa? Entahlah guys. Kan nggak bisa tidur. Sering bet gua nggak bisa tidur malam. Biasanya nonton film aja sih. Tapi entah kenapa aku tertarik ya, gaming aja udah. Lanjutin misi ya enggak. Dan di ujung sampai tuh warehouse, punyanya Sylvester. Ini satu deh sini. Berarti Michael juga udah di atas. Ada karyawan lebih nggak? Gua perlu juga untuk company gua jemari.
It's cracking.
Hey, you got him?
Of course I do, homie. Here.
Thank you.
So, all good?
Sure, homie. So is this shit for real? We just gonna rob the FIB and be allowed to walk by your boys like that?
Yeah, I don't fucking know. Probably not. Lester,
Oh,
what do you
denah
got?
ini data
I don't
denah.
quite know yet. Give me a minute. I'm not a fucking computer. Oh. Oh, maybe I am. Here's what I think. We have two options. The new security software goes into containment mode in case of emergency, earthquakes, mudslides, acts of God. So we could plant some fire bombs. They go bang! The emergency call goes out. We hijack it, show up as firemen, and then we grab the containment drive. Or we could hack the system on site. We'll go in by air. Hope we don't run into too much physical resistance.
Sounds relaxing. Either bombing an office ran by a division of corrupt government psychos or defeating one of the world's most complex security systems using our worthless-ass ninja skills, huh?
Yeah. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
The
Asik
firebomb
nih.
containment drive option, you'll go in with that janitor's ID you picked up. It'll be at
Kita
night
jadi
when most
damkar,
of the
guys.
workers are off. You mop the place and plant the bombs where we need them.
Seriously. I got a mop?
Yeah, you really do. They'll clock you on the cameras if you're play acting. You also need a fire truck to show up in when the bombs go off, and a getaway car stashed in a quiet place near the bureau so you could torch the truck and then get out. The car doesn't have to be anything special. There shouldn't be any heat.
And what about the other way? With the, ninja skills?
Now, you choose that route, you won't be using the janitor's gear, but we had to cover all the bases. Your FIB paymasters will have to provide you with a chopper and a pilot. Now, you fly way up above the building, parachute in, and gain access through the roof here. Now, you'll need to be armed to the teeth, mind you, just in case the, shit goes down.
Mopping or parachuting? Wow, you're making this choice really difficult.
Now, Haynes has given us the leftover money from the Polito job to pull this mission, and the crew will be paid out of that. We keep the change. So, what's it gonna be?
Ya, gua pilih A aja lah. Jadi damkar.
So you do want to mop. I'll
Ah,
make the arrangements and call you when we're ready.
All right, shit, hit me.
You know, I'm still looking into that union depository gig. It's real interesting. But I don't know if we can do it without you-know-who.
Well, as long as he can't do it without us.
Okay.
Oke, perlu persiapan lagi untuk itu dulu. Ya. Selama yang lain mempersiapkan untuk pembersihan nama kau, Michael, kau mau ngapain?
Hey, Sugar Plum.
Daddy, I'm in trouble.
What is it? Money? Drugs? Your mother?
There's this guy. He's been following me around. I think he's about to do something.
Yeah, I'm kind of busy right now.
Fine. I'll call someone who
You'll be fine.
Lihat aja, kena karmanya lo, Michael. Lihat aja nanti. Gua bisa ngelihat alurnya, garis yang udah digariskan. Tadi Lester bilang ya, untuk misi ini kan kita jadi damkar, jadi kita butuh atribut damkar. Jadi kita harus curi mobil damkar. Tapi si Michael nih kemana dia nih, hah? Mau ketemu idolanya si Solomon, bikin film. Lo tahu waktu kayak Michael? Ada apa di sana? Inilah ceritanya nih kalau di lima sasaran.
Man, you're a couple real badasses. Put a beat down on an old man.
We don't take that. We have a deal with them. Just about. Please, get those millennial ass wipes.
Pleasure. You fuck what? Hey,
Oh udah
here's an old
habis
man
ini
who
sama
ain't
Michael.
back.
Don't make this difficult, little kepang. I just got you easily.
This is how you do. That's on you, dickwad. I thought you
Udah
were
deh.
a tough guy.
Udah gitu aja. Harusnya lo balik ke Solomon. Lo kayak mau ngapain ke situ? Tujuan awalnya gitu loh.
But you can't feel anything.
You're throwing me softballs. Rum runner. But speaking of accidents, those guys had one.
Oh, if only we'd met 20 years ago, Michael. Maybe I wouldn't be in this mess.
Yeah, you and me both, brother.
Look, it's a pain, I know. But could you come by the studio now? I got something I'd like to show you.
Kita diundang lagi. Udah gua bilang. Lagian lo awalnya mau ngapain gitu loh. Michael.
Yeah, of course. I'll be right over.
Come in. Come in. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, it turns out maybe I'm cut out for the movie business after all, huh?
My friend, you're a sentimental thug with zero artistic training and nothing interesting to say. I would say you're overqualified. Anyway, shut up and take a look at that.
Oh.
Langsung jadi kah
Fuck yeah.
filmnya?
Feels good, doesn't it?
Feels like I've finally done something with my life. Actually done something. A movie.
Welcome to show business. Nothing but make-believe will ever feel quite real again. All right, Michael, come on. Let me show you some rushes. I think you're gonna love it, but it'd be great to hear your notes.
Hey, baby. I just wanted to tell you, I'm finally doing something with my life. I'm making a movie. A real one. Call me.
Oh, keren banget dia, kata dia. Dianya. Apa yang sedang dilakukan Trevor?
I'm talking to you, motherfucker. Who else you think I'm talking to, homeboy?
I'm getting bored of this.
What?
It's not legally fucking if you do not penetrate.
Shit, man! Fucker!
Sekarang dia bantai orang-orang balas kah? Apa disuruh? 30. Entahlah, aku malas ngitung. What the hell? Lu mau nabrak gua? Ah? Nabrak tuh yang niat gitu loh. Kalau masih ragu-ragu untuk bunuh nih orang, gak bakal selamat kau. Ada yang basoka ya dia barusan.
I thought you guys were killers!
Nah gitu, tapi coba lebih baik lagi untuk bunuh nih orang. Do it better, brutal more. bruterer, apa sih sebutnya, humor brutal gitu loh. Udah 30, ha? Udah lewat. Oh, ada di counting, ada dihitung di bawah situ. Satu lagi 40. Tanggung Pak ya. Tunggu. Tanggung ini. 40. Pretty banget. Orang-orang tetangga kosanku pastinya melihat aku yang kayak gini. Ini dia. Ayo, tagih.
There you are, Doc.
Yeah, I got you that stuff.
Oh, great.
Where's your wife?
Mrs. Thornhill, she's not my wife. She's got a husband and 2 lovely kiddies at home. We met online. It's nothing sexual.
Where is she?
Well, she's been trying to throw herself under celebs' wheels.
Well, she can throw herself under my wheels anytime.
Oh, I knew you were funny, Jock.
Aku lah, Revo lo bukan Cok.
I was...
Tanya soal Cok.
Can I have a hug?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Come here.
I've got a protruding hip. It's not a semi.
Nigel! Doc! You won't believe what's happened!
What?
Only Al Di Napoli walking. He actually walks!
He walks among us!
Well, then what are you freaks waiting for?
Well, that's a long story.
Of mistaken identity.
And a lot of lies.
Stalking is not what I would call it.
Nor me. I told the judge I thought it was unfair.
Yes, anyone's trousers could have come undone at that point.
Exactly.
Jolly bad luck, and we were such fans. If only we could talk to him.
Yes, I know it was only his lawyers and agents.
They ruin everything.
If we could only get him somewhere private. You see, like that little lockup I know.
No problemo.
Look, there he is!
Oh, shit. It's that crazy English bitch again.
Nigel, he remembers me!
To the chariot! Jock, you drive.
Quick, he's getting away!
Mereka mau
Get in.
bicara sama dia di tempat yang private. Gimana ceritanya kita bawain kayak gitu?
Oh my word, Doc! Do you see that lorry?
What the fuck's a lorry? Have a little faith. Anyone would think this was my first kidnapping.
What on earth will we feed the man?
I hadn't even thought of that. He probably eats sushi or
Maybe I should have driven.
or quinoa. Is that even how you say it?
What if he wants meth?
Find out!
He's going into the car park.
The car park. No worries, mate.
Oh,
Pak, ini cuma fansmu, Pak.
How could
Kasih kesempatan lah.
This lockup you prepared sounds charming.
Just be yourself, Mrs.
Apa barusan di bawahnya itu?
Oh, my giddy aunt.
Render juga secara nggak sengaja kah?
My prostate has taken quite a beating.
do you have to lower the tone?
Glad to see you on the proper side of the road, dear boy. This must be second nature to you, John.
Kemana dia? Susah kali. Dia gerak-geriknya susah
This
ditebak.
level of derangement, I'm impressed.
Panik mungkin dia ya.
Is he going through the hospital?
Ada.
Hold on to your corsets.
Pak lihat.
Seems
Dia
rude
antara
not to
panik,
follow him through
antara
the window.
ugal-ugalan juga kayak kita. Lihat.
Bloody hell!
Ngapain kok tutup pintunya? Kita mau keluar lagi nih.
Would you like me to escort your guest of honor to the trunk?
Well, if you don't mind.
Oh, come here, you. Come on. Let me meet your biggest fan. Huh?
You're fucking crazy!
Oh, it's Al Di Napoli.
Ya udah, kita biarin aja mereka bawa kemana gitu di interview sama mereka.
You're good to go.
Ah, a true gentleman.
This is so exciting.
Woi, kasih tahu gue lebih soal Cok, kocak. Di sekitaran sini dia. Ya udah, kita markirnya di sini aja ya. Sekaligus lo tolonglah jangan lihat kayak nggak punya baju lain, Franklin. Dan too late you fucking moron.
Man, I'm sorry, fool.
Good enough. Take your money back, people.
I didn't mean kill the guy.
Don't worry, this is LS.
Man, I can't believe you got that guy. You really saved my ass.
Dan kita nggak dapat bintang. Lihat, polisinya baik di sini. Ya udah, kita cari tempat yang agak-agak strategis sedikit. Nah, di sini boleh nih. Ntar kita bisa muncul dari situ ke sini langsung lah cabut, ya enggak? Call location. Gua pusing ini. Gimana caranya? Di sini. Tapi kita beli baju dulu. Tolonglah. Mbak, aku ingat kau ini. Nah, kayak ini kan gaul dikit. Mantap juga kata si mbaknya tuh. Adios. Sini tempat apa sih sebetulnya? Mobil. Gue selalu penasaran. Tuh, lu nggak mau itu aja untuk pelarian, Iya, kita butuh yang prepare. Itu udah rusak. Mending ini aja. Hampir aja lu buat repot gua lagi, Franklin. Nah, di sini boleh. Tolonglah. Oke guys, setelah seberapa dinamika yang begitu berliku-liku ya, kira kita nemuin hal yang tepat. Pokoknya bukan hal yang tepat.
Lester, I got us that getaway car for when we come out the bureau.
All right, give me the location.
Howard.
Okay, good. There's still some more to do, right? Call me when that's taken care of.
Habis diperdaya sama Michael. Michaelnya apa kerjanya? Coba kita lihat. Pindah ke Michael. Buruan.
Sorry, kids, but I've got to run off. Enjoy it. It's a classic.
Ngomong-ngomong, selamat ya Tracy. Dari masa terakhir itu loh. Ya udah, aku mulai ngantuk juga guys. Mungkin aku akan mencoba untuk tidur atau lanjut aja begadang, entahlah. Yang penting jangan lupa bahagia. Sehat selalu. Dah.